Good day. You're going to need to find this sheet, the blank periodic table. This is one you've seen in previous grades, and you're just going to fill it in as we go. So you should remember, coming down the left, we have things called periods. And periods represent what we called in the past electron shells. This year we're going to get fancier and call them orbitals. Then we go across to the right, and we start putting in numbers. Now your textbook will actually go like this. It'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot, 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 and then it will carry on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I don't like doing that. I prefer to just jump past the transition metals. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally group 8. To me, it's more logical, but if you ever run into group 17, it's referring to this. If you're running to group 14, it's referring to what I would call group 4. Now, you'll see hydrogen on your regular periodic table appears on both sides, and it's sort of isolated because it can behave like a metal and a non-metal. It can lose an electron, it can gain an electron. But below it, we have the alkali metals. Right next to alkali metals, we have the alkaline earth metals. Alkali and alkaline are the opposite of acidic. And so that means these are basic properties. And it has to do with oxides. If you have sodium oxide or calcium oxide, they end up creating basic solutions. In the middle, we have this big rectangle of transition metals. You should have a staircase that you put in there. We know the elements near the staircase are called semi-metals, partial metals, or metalloids. But really it's the dividing line between metals to the left and non-metals to the right. Here we have the halogens, group 7 or 17, group 8 or 18, noble gases, not Nobel, noble, royal. At the bottom, we have the rare earth metals, and they would install here, but if we put those in, it would extend the periodic table way to the right. So they sort of pull them out here. These are the heavy metals. So we have the lanthanides and the actinides are the two categories of rare earth metals. Metallic properties increase to the left across a period. So that means as you go left across a row, more metallic, and obviously going to the right, more non-metallic. Noble gases don't fit into either category, non-reactive. And as we go down a group, more metallic, and that means as we go up a group, less metallic or more non-metallic. So this is stuff you should already know. If you've forgotten it, make sure you go back and get it under control.